Welcome guys. This is Technical Professor is here to help you guys. This is the new channel on the YouTube I created to help the community and deliver and transform the knowledge to help and guide the humanity and the newcomers. So I am starting this as I have background of the software development, web development, including the iOS, Android, ERP development, and other many development experience I do have. So I am starting with the HTML. Today our topic will be the HTML. What is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of web pages markup. HTML elements are building blocks of the HTML pages. Basically, this is the language invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. Basically, he invented the HTML language as its publishing language. The World Wide Web began life in the place where you would least expect it. So he was basically the at European Laboratory Particle Physics in the Geneva, Switzerland. So he invented the HTML, and I think almost all the web development is based on it. And now the new inventions are based on the HTML. So thank you, Tim Berners, to help the community. So markup language, basically due to it's called markup language because it is using the tags. And hypertext means the process of linking objects. HTML tags label pieces of the content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. Basically, browsers do not display the HTML tags, but they use them to render the content to the page. So we need to be the write the code for the HTML. So for coding, there are the multiple tools available, and these are the simple tags like the doc type will be used for the HTML5. HTML5 is the new or the modern HTML. We will provide you inshallah the tutorial for HTML5 as well. An HTML tag will be used for an HTML page. Head, it has the meta information about the page. When you will see the code, then you will understand how the head is working. And the title, basically it is showing the title and browsers, tab location, and body, it has all content of the page. And H1 is shows to large headings, and P, it is used to show the paragraphs. So to write the and view the HTML, at least you have two things. One is the text editor. This is the text editor, and another is the browser. Any of the browser you must have. You can use the text editor in Mac machines, Notepad and Windows machines. Atom is an ID, Microsoft Visual Studio is an ID, Xcode is ID, Dreamweaver is also ID, and these browsers, any you should be have. Edge is the now available in Microsoft. You can use that one as well. So here you go. Let's write the code for the first our page. Dreamweaver is basically is the WYSIWYG ID. WYSIWYG means the what you see as and what you get. It means that basically the Dreamweaver has the drag and drop functionality, so you can drag and drop different items to the web page, and make it better the look and feel. Right now, there are a lot of the online text editors as well available, so you can use those as well. Example, first page for the HTML. As I mentioned you, this is the dog type HTML. This is HTML tag. This is title, page title, ad tag, body tag. And body tag, I utilize the two tags, H1, my first heading, this H1. If you see closely, then every opening tag is closing here. So HTML is closing here, head is closing here, title inside the head, and the body tag opening here and body is closing here. The H1, this is the my first heading H1, P my first paragraph P is here. You see that every node which is opening it is closing over here. So we need to be the careful for that. Otherwise, the markup language will not be rendered properly. It will maybe show some error. It will not show any error, but your text will not be the properly appear the content of the page. Now let's see, look at the web browser, how this page will be appear in the web browser. You see that I open that first page.html file in my Chrome browser. So it is showing that my first heading, my first paragraph. So this is our simple HTML page. How, what is the HTML and how a simple HTML page can be created. I hope it will help you to understand, and thank you very much for your patience and to listen to me. Please subscribe our channel to get to know in detail every step. Thank you very much for your precious time. See you in next lecture. Bye.